Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about Chat GPT. Learn English with the help of Chat GPT. How can we learn English? How can we improve our communication skills? How can we improve our writing skills with the help of Chat GPT? Why Chat GPT is so famous nowadays? Chat GPT is being used in every industry, whether it's IT industry or whether it's entertainment industry or whether it's banking industry. Everywhere it's being used to get answers for the queries, whatever the query, whatever the problem. If you ask ChatGPT, it's giving perfect answers. You can ask multiple times to get the answers. Unlike Google search, it's different. Google search is giving so many options. You need to go to websites and go to some other places from the given list, and you need to search to get your best answer. But here in ChatGPT, it's giving so many options in one place. It's giving multiple answers. It's giving the direct answers in the ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT multiple times. You can chat, you can discuss with the ChatGPT. You can change if you want to get more ideas from ChatGPT. It's giving the perfect answers. So this is about ChatGPT. And coming to our topic, how to learn English with the help of ChatGPT. For instance, I am going to give some idea how to improve your writing skills, or improve your vocabulary or spoken English with the help of ChatGPT. For instance, I am asking ChatGPT, just I want a good article about to improve my English speaking skills in paragraph wise. We start generating the paragraphs about how to improve my communication, my English practice regularly, record yourself for pronunciation, expand your vocabulary, master idiom, focus, seek feedback, join a speaking course, be patient and persistent. Conclusion. So it generated according to my query. Now I just want to give one idea. So I'm copying the entire paragraph, and I'm pasting here in the ChatGPT. And no, before that, I'm asking, I need the vocabulary used in this article. So it's giving some vocabulary. But now what I'm going to ask ChatGPT is, I'm just copying the entire article, and I'm pasting here in the query box. And now it's taking the previous question and giving continuous improvement. I need more. You can ask, I need more. I need the whole vocabulary from the article. Complete vocabulary. So you will get the vocabulary here from here. So complete vocabulary. It's taking some time, but I think it's very useful. So you just go and take one word document. Here you can paste all vocabulary. Select all. Then you can give some space. You can get. And if you want to get the meaning of this I need the meanings of vocabulary otherwise. So it's giving the meanings as well. So you can copy. You can copy and you can paste here. So give some changes. So these are the vocabulary. You can go and you can change it. You can increase them and you can check. You can make changes. This is how you can you can collect vocabulary from the paragraph, and also you can go and copy the graph. You can copy the paragraph. Copy. So this is the paragraph from the above. Vocabulary. Likewise you can get vocabulary, and you can have the meanings, and you have the paragraph how to write.